Banff Centre is a full-service hotel and conference venue located within Canada's largest arts and cultural organisation in the Canadian Rockies.
Banff Centre was founded in 1933 and started out as a single course in drama. Over nearly 100 years, we've grown to be the world leader in professional development, training, and educational programs in arts, leadership, Indigenous culture, and mountain culture.
We specialise in convening impactful meetings. We do this through the power of our inspiring location, our innovative programming, and our distinctive venues. Every year, we welcome over 20,000 conference delegates from around the world. From conferences to banquets, trade shows, and retreats, we've been hosting meetings at the Banff Centre for over 65 years.
When guests arrive, they are first of all stunned by the gorgeous scenery at Banff Centre. The mountains surrounding our amphitheatre, our view of the valley from our restaurants and conference centre, and the walking trails here on campus are breathtaking. Anyone who visits knows how calming it is to be in this environment. You can rest, relax, and enter a state where you're ready to absorb new information and ideas.
The overall philosophy when building menus, to me, is it comes from using regional ingredients, the best ingredients that we can find, and try to showcase ingredients that are a bit unique to our environment. It's part of the menu building process where we want to offer our guests an experience that will reflect what Rocky Mountain cuisine would be.
A meeting at Banff Centre doesn't just mean using our space. It includes getting a piece of our perspective that puts creativity into the core of everything we do. With our expertise in arts and training, we can include creative activities and elements into your conference plan. That's not only a value add for your conference, it's a memorable experience for your guests that is new and challenging and gets them into the mind frame you're trying to create. Banff Centre is a not-for-profit organization, and all revenues from conferences underwrite scholarships for artists and leaders every year. We hope to welcome you to Banff Centre and Banff National Park for your meeting very soon.